On this edition of Newsmakers, the Virginia Department of Transportation project on Arlington Boulevard is replacing the aging Courthouse Road bridge. It's improving safety and access to Route 50 at Courthouse Road and 10th Street. In addition to new ramps and better traffic flow, the project improves the bike trail, lighting, and will feature a custom-designed art component.
VDOT is constructing a project here at the interchange of Route 50 and Courthouse Road down this way, and up here at 10th Street, and where we're standing here at Fairfax Drive. It's kind of a complex, multi-phase project that will, in the end game, deliver us 2 new bridges and a new intersection right where we're standing. It's a $39 million project. Arlington's contribution is around $1 million. Right now, traffic is kind of complicated at these intersections, so this is going to provide new acceleration and deceleration lanes and make it much more safer for the traveling public that's coming on and off these intersections. We're going to have signalized intersections up at the top of the bridges that'll make movements allowed that weren't allowed before. It will just make a much safer throughput for everyone who's using this area. Right now we're looking at summer of 2014. It's been under construction since 2011. Again, it's a multi-phase project, so it takes some time because while it's going on, we have to maintain traffic. And we in Arlington County work very closely with VDOT on how we would do that through the various phases and maintain traffic through the life of this project safely for the commuters.
Well, the project has definitely been a partnership between both the county and the state. It's been a coordinated effort to deliver this project. We've got a wonderful working relationship with Arlington, and they have helped us look after the needs of the stakeholders in this area. The goal of this project is to improve the movements to and from Route 50, improve movements both for eastbound and westbound traffic. We will help keep some of the slower traffic on what could be considered a local lanes, and the through movements can continue unimpeded.
We started working on this almost 15 years ago with VDOT. The bridges that have been recently removed were built in 1954, and it was time for them to go, and it didn't really handle the capacity that we wanted to handle it in a safe way. Because Arlington really values walking and biking and so forth, we worked those features into the project also.
What they can expect to see is improved mobility through these 2 intersections. We will have improved capacity. There will also be improvements to the turning movements to and from Route 50. One significant feature of the project includes the construction of the MSC walls. The resulting mural is going to be quite wonderful.
The public art program joined this project about 10 years ago when DOT asked us to become involved by finding an artist to help beautify the project. So we've been working alongside DES and also VDOT for about 10 years now, planning the beautification. Our public art policy, which was approved by the county board in 2000, asked us to think about integrating public art and design enhancements into the county's civic projects, and that includes infrastructure, buildings, parks. So we're excited to actually challenge our first large-scale infrastructure project in this project. This is a pretty major overhaul. I mean, there's a lot of new lanes, there's a lot of retaining wall, and we're close in. I mean, we're becoming a much more urbanized community here in Arlington. And so when you have these large-scale infrastructure projects adjacent to residential, we want to make them feel beautiful and attractive and welcome. So it was deemed early on, with the amount of impact and retaining wall we knew this project was going to present, that there needed to be something to enhance it.
For more information about the improvements underway at Route 50 and Courthouse Road, visit the VDOT project page at virginiadot.org. Keyword projects and click on Northern Virginia projects. That's it for this edition. For more episodes of Newsmakers, visit our webpage at arlingtonva.tv.